In this question, equation of this ellipse is given. It is also given that S with coordinate PQ is a point in first quadrant that lies outside this ellipse. From this point S, a line drawn touches this ellipse at B, where B is end point of semi-minor axis. From this point S, another line drawn touches this ellipse at the point T, and this point T lies in the fourth quadrant. R is end point of major axis. It is also given that area of triangle ORT is equal to 3 by 2. Area of triangle ORT. Then we have to find value of P, that means x coordinate of this point, and value of Q, that means y coordinate of this point. This question was asked in JEE Advanced 2024, paper 1, question number 4. To solve this question, we will write first coordinate of this point R and this point B by observing this equation that you have learnt in 11th class NCERT book. Then by using this given information, we will find coordinate of point T. Then we will use this hint that this is equation of BT, a straight line joining the point B and T. Since this line passes through point B and point T, therefore coordinate of B will satisfy this, coordinate of T will satisfy this. In this way, we will find value of P and Q. Now we start the detailed solution. In 11th class NCERT book, you read that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, in which a is greater than b is equation of an ellipse whose major axis a dash lies along x-axis and minor axis b dash lies along y-axis. Coordinate of point A is a0. Coordinate of A dash is minus a0. Coordinate of point B is 0b. Coordinate of point B dash is 0 minus b. By using this information, this formula, we will try to write coordinate of point R and point B. First we convert this equation in this form. Here is a square and b square. Therefore we write 9 in the form of a square. Write 4 in the form of a square. And now compare this equation with this equation. Then we find that A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. Since coordinate of this point is A0, therefore coordinate of R will be A0 means 3, 0. Coordinate of this point R will be 3, 0. Since coordinate of point B is 0, B, therefore coordinate of this point will be 0, B means 0, 2. 0, 2. It is given in the question that area of triangle ORT is equal to 3 by 2. But area of triangle ORT will be equal to 1 by 2 times base OR times this height H. Suppose when we draw perpendicular from this point T to x-axis, then this height obtained is H. But OR, since x coordinate of this point is 3, therefore OR will be equal to 3. Therefore H is equal to 1. This height H is equal to 1. Now we suppose coordinate of point T is alpha beta. But beta, which is y coordinate of point T, will be equal to minus H because T point lies in 4th quadrant below x-axis. Therefore, beta will be equal to minus H and H is 1, therefore beta will be minus 1. Since this T point lies on this ellipse, therefore coordinate of this point T will satisfy equation of this ellipse. Therefore alpha square by 9 plus this beta square by 4 will be equal to 1. But beta is equal to minus 1. Therefore we will write minus 1 here. When we shift this on the right hand side, 1 minus 1 by 4 will be equal to 3 by 4. After simplification we get value of alpha 3 root 3 by 2. Thus alpha 3 root 3 by 2 and beta minus 1. 3 root 3 by 2 and minus 1 will be coordinate of this point T. Now we want to write the equation of the line passing through point B and point T. This line BT. Whenever from any point outside the ellipse, two tangents touches the ellipse at two distinct points, then equation of the line passing through those 2 points of contact, that means equation of BT, can be obtained if we write x1 in place of x square, where x1 y1 is the coordinate of this point. If x1 y1 be coordinate of this point, then we write x1 in place of x square in the equation of ellipse, y1 in place of y square in the equation of ellipse. Here in place of x1 and y1 there is p and q. Therefore we write xp, x1 means xp in place of x square. y1 means yq in place of y square, and thus we obtain equation of a straight line BT. This is equation of a straight line BT passing through both point of contact. Since this line, that means BT line, passes through point B, therefore coordinate of this point 0, 2 will satisfy this equation. We write 0 in place of x and 2 in place of y and get q is equal to 2. Since this T point also lies on this line, therefore coordinate of this point will also satisfy this equation. Therefore we write 3√3/2 in place of x, -1 in place of y. But value of q is 2, therefore in place of this q we write 2 and simplify it to get value of p as equal to 3√3. Now solution is complete.